Devin, what's something unique about Dakota Broadcasting that we may not know?
I think the most unique thing about Dakota Broadcasting are the employees that we have. They're so multi-talented. We have Ward Hilger, our morning guy at 105. He has a rodeo announcing company that he does all throughout the summer. Adam St. Paul started the curling club here in town. Kurt Campbell's done several audio books that he's voiced. And Mike Johnson used to be in several bands as he was growing up and coming through the business. So, and then our salespeople have a multitude of talents as well. So our people are definitely the most unique thing. A member of the chamber for 7 years. We went on air in December of 2007. Full-time sellers, 2 part-time air announcers, and 2 administrators. The part about being in the chamber is going to the different events, interacting with other business people, and the chamber gives us a way to be part of the community and really give back.